5 hours we've been here. It's been on the cameras, we're here every time. When it's not raining, when it's raining,
all we're asking you to do is in the control room.
And tell them I said we're keeping the place clean.
Somebody.
We keep the place clean.
All we're asking you to do is move.
That's what I'm saying. You lot from the business.
No one's else has said anything, we've been here every day.
What else have a job?
This is private coming here to manage something.
Come talk to me.
Basically what's happening, they want us to move.
Why? What's going on, security?
You know you don't want to move nobody.
Do you see any garbage in the place?
You don't need to be doing. I have the video now. I have the video because I'm being told to move. I'm here cooking, feeding the homeless today. Everybody, I'm out here.
Wait, did you come to physically?
They've been here 5 hours and they've not said nothing until now.
All we're asking is to do.
Yes, people, we're outside in the rain. Yeah, man, this is it. The mission continues. The shopping trolley with 3 pots on there. The pulley are good vibes. As you can see, people are out in wet weather today, but the mission continues. Guess what? Welcome to 24-hour kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision people here. Don't forget to what? Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave your notification. I don't want you guys to miss any of what's going on. You understand? Good vibes. Very wet weather today, people. Yes, as you can see, everybody got their umbrellas out, but I still got the kitchen out, people. Yeah, the mission continues. Yes, my brother, you're right. Yeah. Within like 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour. Yeah?
1 hour, yes.
Yeah, no forget.
Yeah, okay then. All right, as you can see, that's someone that comes to get food from us regular all the time. Yeah, man, it's raining outside. The mission continues. Guess what, everybody? Yeah, don't forget to hit that notification here. And don't miss a video, and leave your comments in the comment section, because it's very important for you guys to give your feedback. And on the 7th of December, we're going to be keeping our Christmas community dinner, people. Yeah, our good vibes for the homeless. That is it. So this is where we're at the moment. So we've got the red pea soup that's on with all the vegetables, all the ingredients in there. We're waiting for all the solids to go in there later on down. And also we've got a vegetable soup, which is what you're used to with the pumpkin and that, everybody. Yeah, man, that one there also is going to have some of the ingredients that you see here going there. So the ingredients that are here is going to be for the pot. And then over here now, we've got the okra and them things there, scotch bonnet pepper, people, yeah. Have good vibes. And where we're there? We're there right also, on the roadside. That is it. Yes, Alan, so we're outside right now. What's the weather like?
Freezing cold.
Freezing cold.
I've got a t-shirt, jumper on and a jacket, and I'm still bugging freezing.
Yeah, that people, yeah. It's not a joke out here. You understand? One love to the community and that. So people, look, I've got my rain suit on today, yeah, because it's not no play. We can't play out here today, yeah, because I done tell you, look, say we're on a mission. And the mission, yeah, so we have to feed 1 million people, you know, no matter what kind of weather we are in, you know what type of condition come outside. We is set up for this thing, people, yeah, that is it. All right, Ringo, we ready? Let's go. All right. Let's kick off the pot, people, yeah? We've put certain ingredients in the pot so far. Now, what we're going to start to do is start to put some solids into the pot, people, yeah? You understand them pumpkins in there. We've got the red pea soup that's in there. Bubbler, where are you going?
I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, yeah, go show people the New Year's time, man. Show them the New Year's time, man. Show them the New Year's time.
That's very good.
Yo, look at Bubbler's thing, people, yeah? Don't play with the thing. Yeah, man, that is it. You understand, people, yeah? Let's get back to the kitchen. Jazzy.
Jazzy's hungry and that, man.
Jazzy,
all item food and that.
Jazzy,
good.
today, yeah,
What's up?
I've got a red peas, I've got a pumpkin soup. Let me show you the
Smells banging, bro.
Pumpkin soup.
Smells amazing, bro.
And I've also got a red pea soup.
It smells so nice, isn't it?
Yeah, man. And see, they need no meat, man. See the idleness.
Yes, Kimberly.
I call them yam, you know, Jazzy, I'm putting in the pot, you know, peel up them yam.
Right now.
Come on.
Yummy, it looks yummy. It looks yummy. It looks yummy. It does look good, man. I'm so
Jazzy, I'm good you're back on that, you know.
Yeah, man.
How have you been since the last time?
Need some broccoli.
You need some.
Make sure you eat your 5 a day, guys.
Look, Jazzy's full of energy and good vibes and good spirit. That is it, people, yeah? One love, that is it. Alright, everyone, big up yourselves. Welcome to the program. Understand? So, what's happening right now? So, we're going to be putting in both pots at the same time. We've got the red peas here, and we've got the vegetable pumpkin soup here, people, yeah? So, the first ingredients that we're going to start putting into the pot, we're going to start peeling some turnip, people, yeah? And look, very simple, as you can see, yeah? The turnip, yeah? We're just using a butter knife, people, yeah? So everyone that's walking around, running around with a knife, you don't need to, because we're peeling hard skinned vegetables, and as you can see, a simple butter knife is able to just do the job, people, yeah? So parents, mums, dad, your kids, them, make sure that you check them before they come out the yard and they're not carrying what they're not supposed to be carrying with them. You understand? Have good vibes and keep the love. That is it. So this here is a plantain. Plantain carries a lot of iron as well. So if your body's lacking iron, the plantain will aid that. You understand, people, yeah? Good vibes. Simple way to peel the plantain like that. Just remove the outer skin. Like that. Right, so our next big ingredient that we're going to put in the pot, people, here is the yam. And this is a root vegetable. This is grown underground. It takes about 9 months to produce. The yam takes 9 months to produce, people, yeah, underneath the ground, you understand? So what I'm doing right now is just prepping the yam. Good vibes. And both pots are gonna get yam in it, everybody, yeah? But it's just that one of the pots are pumpkin soup, and one's so this one here is a pumpkin mix.
Smells banging.
So it's got a different flavour from the peas as well, the one with the red peas, people, yeah, but a good vibe said way. Put some ingredients in the pot, that is it. And then the same thing happens over here as well. Put some ingredients into the pot, said way, everybody. This is a white yam as well, everybody, so you have to know the difference between the yams as well. A good vibes. And this is like the filler that's gonna go into your body as well and fill you up. This one will fill you up.
This is my
Well, you right, yeah?
telling me.
Yeah.
I love.
So one of your brethren, yeah? Yeah, that's it. When you're out and you're active in doing community work, you're gonna see people that you know, innit?
Yeah, virgin still.
You smell the flavours coming from the pots, them.
Bro, smells so banging. I've never smelled pumpkin what smells so like that, you know? Like, I've never smelled pumpkin what smells banging.
Yeah, y'all can smell the
Bro, it smells so nice.
Thinking about my mental health, I put down a drink, I pick up my split. Thinking about the
Out here on our high street, people, yeah, music video being shot right there. You understand? A good vibes. people a whole of vibes anyway while we are cooking the food right over here, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Big up. Alan, what one?
Alright.
Music today, man. We're cooking food.
Yeah.
Vibes. What one, brother? You good? Yeah, man, that is it. A good vibes. Waiting for the food and ting.
Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the King.
Hey! See, told you could do it soon. Even though it's raining, the high street is still got a busyness to it. It's the evening time now. Yeah, man, and the food's almost completed. We've got a few people waiting for their food, so our good vibes. So yeah, man, we're gonna start handing out the food in a second, people. Yeah, that is it. Big up yourself, everybody. One love. Look at this right now. Let me show you where we at. Red pea soup. They're not easy to find either. Pumpkin soup. Our good vibes. Alan, what one?
Alright.
Good vibes. See, you got a bad cough there. I hope this soup can get rid of it.
It will.
This soup's gonna cure that cough, soup. Yeah. I've got ginger in there, garlic.
Oh, well, that'd be me. I'll be farting all night as well then.
I didn't hear that.
I can't even laugh. I can't even laugh.
If you want a pot though, guys, still have a pot.
Ringo Vision.
Here we go.
Subscribe.
Ringo's on a mission.
Yes, everyone. So as you can see, that we've gone through one pot already. You can see that we finished one pot. So we're just starting on the next pot, which is the red pea soup. Good vibes. So can we form a proper line, please, if you're gonna get?
Yeah, no. Just like literally like.
Yeah, we get a line. Let's get a proper line.
Okay, Bob.
Ladies first.
Sorry.
I don't even know that was. You're welcome to try.
So yeah, so
That smells amazing, Ringo.
Doesn't it?
Always.
Please like and comment, guys.
So yeah, this is for the homeless, but if you're not homeless, you can make a contribution because it is really for people that are homeless and vulnerable and that can't afford it. So I don't mind, but it's for the homeless people. Yeah.
Steam up my lens. No way steaming up your lens. There's too much flavour in your camera.
Alan?
Too much flavour in your pot.
Yes, steaming. Look at that. Ringo Vision doing it.
How long do you want this clip?
It's free food, yeah. You have to queue up, go around it.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Ellen,
Are you sure?
what is it? Soup?
Yeah, we're cooking for the homeless.
Helping the
Can
community.
keep you warm.
Helping the
Thank
community.
you so much.
Helping the community.
Oh, wow.
This
You're
will warm you
doing
up.
a good job.
Yeah,
I'm
nah.
I've known you for 2 days.
Oh, really?
I went to the food bank this morning and I just missed it by 10 minutes. It's shut.
This will sort you out. This will be good.
This is proper. It's got everything in it.
Is it?
Nutrients, everything.
It's just, you know, when you need a bit of bread to dip in with it.
Do you know where Queen's?
You need bread and butter. Yeah?
Do you know where Queen's Park is?
Thank you so
Good
much.
because it's hot. It's really hot.
Okay.
You'll be alright. It's hot.
Yeah.
Put your bag down first and see how you are with it. Yeah.
Let's go.
There you go.
Thank you so
Careful.
I've got it.
No, you haven't got it. Oh.
I've got it.
Thank you so much.
You don't need to be there.
I have the video now. I have the video because I'm being told to move. I'm here cooking, feeding the homeless today. Everybody, I'm out here.
Wait, did you come to physically remove it? That's what I'm saying. You lot from the
No one's heard anything. We've been here every day.
What else? Have a job.
They're going into us in the control room.
And tell them I said
We're keeping the place
to
clean.
remove somebody.
We keep the place clean.
Why? What's going on, security?
You know you don't want to move nobody.
Do you see any garbage in the place? No.
This is private company.
Come talk to me.
Basically, what's happening? They want us to move, and I'm just cooking. It's raining, so I'm not even moving anyway. People, because I'm just handing out some food. Everybody's here, eating their food. You understand? Sue's here on a buggy as well. Good vibes, people. So I'm here cooking. We're here feeding the homeless. Let's start sharing out some food. Come, let me start sharing out some food. Share out the food. You want food? You want food? Yeah, let me give some food.
I've got it on camera, bro.
Ben, do some food. Let me start sharing some food, please. See, you want some food?
They've been here 5 hours. And they've not said nothing until now.
All they're asking is to do a few meters.
They've not asked us for 5 hours. We've been here.
No, but they've realised now, though, so...
It's been on the cameras. We're here every time.
When it's not raining, when it's raining, we
All
come
we're
here.
asking you to do is move a few meters out of their property, okay?
I was just feeding the people them first, so we have to.
Understand.
So the people them are hungry, innit?
You can feed this fella, but just move over a few meters, alright?
We've been here for 5 hours.
Is it not reasonable to say a few meters?
This is where they come. This is where they come.
But there was
Bro, I've worked here for some time now. This is not where they come.
is it not reasonable to ask you to move a few meters?
It is, but we're not even doing anything wrong.
Yeah, but it's their property, isn't it? So it has to be moved a few meters. Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
That's all it is. We're not here.
This is private property. If we go past that line,
On the pavement.
We don't want to cause problems.
we just move over. It's not a problem.
Just a few meters. All we're asking you to do is move a few meters. Is it not reasonable? Do you think it's not reasonable? What's your answer?
I don't
Mr.
care.
Cameraman, do you talk or not?
Yeah, I just don't care to be honest with you.
It's not reasonable to move.
It's raining outside, yeah. So the reason why I'm doing this is I'm cooking food 4 times a week. So it was raining this camp, so I literally just came here to just come out of the rain. I'm not normally here because of the conditions of the weather, and I wanted to get the mission done by 10 minutes.
That's all it's done and it's done. 10 minutes and that's all it's done.
I'm trying to have a reasonable
They've been on the cameras.
without this man living
We need to boycott Central, blood. Trying to stop the homeless feeding. Don't make no sense. I ban Central, blood.
All this commotion for trying to do a good thing. So all these lot got beds to go to, families to go to. Don't care about the homeless.
And that's till now, when they're shutting the shop up. We sleep here as well. They don't move us on, they don't.
Who's going into that shop right now? Who's going? Oh, not even one person's going into that shop right now.
The customers have said we're doing a good job.
Okay.
Yeah, so madness, we have to move up the kitchen.
Yeah. I need to get all my stuff over there.
So basically, we can go to the other side of the high street and then we'll be alright.
I really appreciate your cooperation.
Ringo, I gotta go grab my stuff. Oh, I've got all my bags and shit.
What are they gonna say if we buy £100 gazebo and we set it up right here? What are they gonna say?
Are they happy? Are they happy? Are they running around?
Conclusions. The other one didn't even have a clue, bro.
Please come and tell us that we have to leave from where we're cooking people, yeah, so it's alright, a good vibe. Yeah, despite the police just turning up, we still keep our happy family and keep everything cool friendly, you understand people, yeah? We're still outside, you understand, and look, we was just there, now we're just here. Good vibes, big up yourself everybody, yeah? You understand, the mission must continue, that is it. So boss man, do you store everything in there every day?
Yeah,
So nobody don't trouble your things then?
not really.
I understand there's nowhere to put your things and it's wet and it's raining out here, it's terrible, you know. So where are you going to sleep tonight?
Over there.
The police just told us to move from over there.
Why?
Because the security guard said that they're the central people them said that we have to move up, but where they're closing up the business now, I think you'll be alright still.
Yeah, actually they are.
Yeah. But look people, yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's terrible out here. This gentleman here, he's got his whole belongings and he's storing all his stuff in a phone box, people, yeah. And this is where we were in Croydon, we were on the high street, so it is peak out here. You understand? People do need help and people do need support, you understand? So look, at the same time we was moved from here, but at the same time the gentleman here, see? Gentleman here, look, it's peak. He has to set up his things then right, yes sir, said way. Because it's raining outside, the floor is wet, there's nowhere for him to stay, you understand? We're on a mission, people, yeah. If you can support the mission, you understand? Our mission is to reach out and help 1 million people out there, people, yeah, that is in need. You understand? There's a real struggle out here and there's a lot of mental health issue out here as well that people are suffering from, you understand, people, yeah? One love to each and every one of you that's been supporting us on the mission, on the journey. A lot of people have been asking how they can support and how they can help to give back. I've created a GoFundMe account. It's on the description in the bio of the channel. Click on the link, people, yeah, and then you can use that link there. You understand? One love to each and every one of you. A good vibe, said away. Look, the gentleman's going back to the phone box again, yeah, to get the rest of his belongings. And like I said, this is where he's staying tonight. So even if we can help out and give them somewhere to stay for the winter, that will be absolutely amazing. You understand? What a good day today, everyone. Everything's finished, completed. Let me show you. Both parts completed. Good day today.